I am Josué Daniel Rosales Calderon, and today I want to tell you a little about my family, my parents, my sister, and my cousins. My parents are the head of the family. They are support and they support me in everything. They help me study, health, food, and everything I need. I consider that I have the best parents in the world, and that is why I am very happy. First God can be quiet me for a long time because they um, are my inspiration and my strength. I admire them a lot for the excellent people they are talking about. My sister, I have two, and they are younger than me. I love them very much, and they love me too. I have a great responsibility with them because with the oldest, I always have to take care of them in every situation. But they are very calm girls, and they don't have much trouble. Although the smile sometimes is too restless, but they are great, and as I said, I love them with my cousins because they are my best friends. Since I was once a child, I have millions of memories with them. They are the best. And what I love the most is that even though it has been a long time since we were little, communication and time together remain the same. We don't play like before, but we have other um, interests in common. I am sorry. We do a lot of things together, and we support each other. Sharing with them is the best, and also with their mothers, who they are my aunts, my grandmother, along with my mother, are the most wonderful woman I can. I admire the most how my grandmother loves us and takes care of us. All is incredible. We all love her and take care of her as she does us. And so I have been able to tell you a little about my family.